Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to view old stories on Facebook in 2025. If you're like me, you might have a treasure trove of memories hidden in your old stories, and with Facebook's updates, accessing them is simpler than ever. Whether you're reliving a vacation or searching for that epic fail moment, this guide will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. In 2025, Facebook has streamlined its interface for better user experience, so let's jump right in. Start by heading to your profile page. You can do this by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app or clicking your name at the top of the website. Once you're on your profile, look for the Stories tab, usually located near the top or in a dedicated section. Facebook now highlights this more prominently, so it should be easy to spot. Tap or click on it to open your Stories feed. Now, to view your old stories, scroll down or look for an Archive option. In 2025, this feature has been enhanced with AI-powered search, allowing you to find specific stories quickly. If you don't see it immediately, tap the three-dot menu in the Stories section and select View Archive. This will take you to a chronological list of your past stories, dating back years. From here, you can browse through your archives by date, or if you're on the app, use the search bar to type in keywords like beach trip or birthday party. Remember, your stories archive is private, so only you can see them, unless you've shared them publicly in the past. One quick tip. If you can't find a story, double-check your privacy settings or update your app to the latest version, as Facebook rolls out features regularly. And if you're new to this, don't worry, it's all intuitive and user-friendly. There you have it, you've just learned how to unlock your old Facebook stories in 2025. Give it a try and rediscover those forgotten moments. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite memory. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.